Hi, I'm Martin here at Makita, and here I have the BTD134 Impact Driver. As you can see, this is in the 14.4 Lithium-ion range, and it has on the side here a slimline belt kit. Again, we have a rubberized ergonomic grip with variable speed trigger and the job LED lights at the front. We have forward and reverse switch, again, which can be locked into the centre to stop any accidental usage. At the front of the drill we'll have the 1/4 inch hex drive with a quick release chuck. On the top of the drill here we have a battery indicator which lets you know how much juice is left in the battery, and it boasts around about 155 Newton meters of torque. That is the BTD134 Impact Driver by Makita, now available at Toolstop.